Have you ever wondered how to measure if a fund manager is actually skilled or just lucky? The information ratio is the answer. At its heart, this ratio measures the consistency of a portfolio manager's performance relative to a specific benchmark, like the S&P 500. A ratio between 0.5 and 1 is often seen as good, while anything above 1 is considered exceptional in the industry. It looks at how much extra return a manager earns compared to the volatility they create by straying from the benchmark. While the Sharpe ratio looks at total risk, the information ratio is specifically designed to judge an active manager against their index. Here we see three managers. Manager C has the highest ratio, meaning they have delivered the most consistent performance relative to their tracking error. Remember, a high ratio is just one piece of the puzzle. Always look at the underlying strategy before making any investment decisions. Understanding these metrics helps you become a more confident investor. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button to support the channel.